Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy F56. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Then click search and click install. Now click open. And then you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now and here click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.